Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm video for the month of June. I do have two different boxes to share with you guys in today's video. So I have the regular Boxycharm box and then also Boxycharm Premium. I actually don't think that I've seen any spoilers this month, so the boxes should be a complete surprise to me. I do pay for my own subscription every month, and then sometimes Boxycharm will send me one in the mail as PR. So I do have an extra Boxycharm box to give away to one of you guys. So if you're interested in entering, just check the description box. It's always easy to enter. Just please do me a favor and leave a good way for me to contact you. I feel like I've had some trouble getting in touch with winners because YouTube doesn't always notify you if I reply to your comment. So just leave me an alternative way to contact you in case you win. So the base box is $25 a month. This one comes with 5 full-size products. And when you sign up, you get a box every single month. The value is over $125. And if you guys are new to Boxycharm videos, they typically include makeup, sometimes skincare, occasionally hair care, but it is a beauty-focused subscription box that comes in the mail every month. The first thing in here is by the brand Touch in Soul. This is the Fill Up Orange palette. I've tried a couple of products from Touch in Soul, but I don't think I realized that they actually made eyeshadow palettes. I know that I do like one of their face primers. The No Problem face primer is really nice if you like more of a smoothing face primer. Okay, so this palette comes with 9 different shadows. I'm assuming that you could probably use a couple of these as cheek products as well. Like this center shade looks like it would make a really pretty shimmery blush or even a highlight. It does look like you get a mix of matte and shimmer shadows, and then there is one pressed glitter as well. So it is more of a neutral palette, but it kind of has like a pop of orange. Let me swatch a couple of these shadows so I can just see what they feel like because I haven't tried any eye products from this brand. The pan sizes are a little bit random. I know that we talk about this sometimes when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. I typically prefer more of like a traditional pan size, whether it is a circle or a rectangle. And sometimes with palettes like this, it just feels like there is a lot of wasted space. So the shadows swatch okay. They don't feel like they're going to be super intense on the eyes. I do tend to prefer really rich shadows overall, but if you're somebody who likes more of a subtle formula, I think that you might enjoy this one. I will say the palette is very, very light. It doesn't look like you're going to create a lot of dark or bright eyeshadow looks unless you incorporate like that orangey glitter or like this pop of color, but even that shade doesn't look that intense when you swatch it. So I definitely think I'm going to have to build these up. They don't feel like my ideal type of eyeshadow formula, but again, if you do prefer something a little bit more subtle, you might enjoy this. I know that Touch in Soul is a Korean beauty brand, and typically Korean beauty brands aren't known for like super intense, colorful eyeshadow. So I do feel like this is in line with the brand. It's probably just not going to be my personal go-to palette, but it could be a good option for everyday wear. This is so weird, but I was actually going to purchase this product the other day when I was placing a Sephora order. I just filmed a Sephora haul that will actually be up tomorrow, and I talked about this product. This is the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I have heard so many good things about this product, and it actually has really great reviews on Sephora's website, and I was looking for just a good exfoliator, and because this one has had such great reviews, I wanted to pick it up. So I ended up picking up a set that came with like a mini size of this so I could try it out, but I love the fact that they included this product in the box because I know that it does have a lot of hype surrounding it right now, and a lot of people say that it is very effective. So the card says that it is a fast-acting resurfacing body treatment. It does contain chemical and physical exfoliators, and it's supposed to give you the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. So that sounds really appealing if it does work well, and I will definitely test it out and let you guys know in my June favorites and fails how it works. So the next thing in here is from the brand KAB Cosmetics. This is a lip liner and lip gloss. So it looks like it is a little duo, and I got the shades Charming. Oh, this packaging is really pretty. Okay, first of all, the lip liner looks just like ColourPop's lip liners, and those are my absolute favorite. Like the packaging is almost identical. It's also very, very creamy. If you guys have tried the ColourPop lippy pencils, they're really creamy, so they just glide on the lips really easily, but they do lock your lipstick into place all day without being dry or uncomfortable. And then let me swatch the lip gloss. This is a pretty pigmented lip gloss. Typically, I do prefer a little bit more of a sheer formula just because I feel like if I wear lip gloss, it kind of travels outside of my lip line throughout the day as I'm talking or, eating or drinking. But this is a pretty color. It's like a mid-toned red with a little bit of pink. I do think this would be flattering on a lot of skin tones, whether you have a light skin tone or a deep skin tone. It's kind of just like a rosy, red. So I will give this one a shot. I've been trying not to write products off completely, although I kind of did that with the Touch and Soul palette, but sometimes I'm really surprised by how much I like a product that I never thought I would get a ton of use out of. That happened to me with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bronzer that I got in my box last month. I've been using that every single day. So I am excited to test it out. It's fun to try new brands, which is why I do like getting subscription boxes. The next thing in here is from Laura Geller. I actually got a Laura Geller highlighter, one of their big gelato swirl illuminators in a box, maybe at like the end of 2019 or like the very beginning of 2020, and I love it so much. Laura Geller is a brand that was so popular years ago, but they still make some really good products. So it's kind of fun that Boxycharm has been including some of their products. So this one is the Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek palette. So this is supposed to be a cream to powder trio. So I guess you can use it anywhere on your face, your eyes, your lips, or your cheeks. So you do get a really pretty pink, and then you get more of a bronzy tone, and then you also get like a highlight shade. Oh wow, okay, so when you first dip your finger into them, they kind of feel really, really creamy, but they are drying down pretty quickly, and they are leaving like more of a soft touch finish. I have a hard time with cream products. I want to love them more than I do, and I do like some cream formulas, but I think my issue is that a lot of cream products tend to fade or just kind of melt off my face by the end of the day. So if there is a cream to powder formula that will stay in place well, that would be nice. Okay, so I do feel like these did dry down. They're not completely transfer proof because I'm kind of rubbing my finger over them, and I do feel like they're coming off a little bit, but they do seem to be not quite as tacky as when I first applied them. So this does kind of seem like a promising formula as far as cream products go. And the last thing is from Lilly Lashes. I've heard of Lilly Lashes, but I haven't tried anything from them. I think they're kind of known for their eyelashes, which I don't really wear false lashes, so that's probably why I haven't tried the brand, but apparently they do have mascaras as well. This is the Triple X mascara. So I'm going to Google a picture of the wand because I do have two mascaras that are currently open, and I don't want to open another one quite yet because I literally just opened two of them last week. So this wand actually looks promising. It does look like it would create a ton of drama, a ton of volume. This isn't typically a wand that I would probably use for length, but I do love a lot of drama and a lot of volume. So this one looks nice. If you guys have tried this mascara, you'll have to let me know how it worked, but I think I'll hang on to this, maybe possibly put it in a giveaway just because I do have a lot of open mascaras right now. Well, I have two, but two is enough. So the value of my box is $138, which is pretty good. I'm definitely most excited about the First Day Beauty product. I was totally going to purchase this myself. To be honest with you guys, this is not my favorite box. I just feel like the eyeshadow palette isn't going to be my favorite palette, just judging from the swatches. I could change my mind, but I do feel like I kind of know what types of formulas I typically love. And then the lip gloss and the lip liner are really pretty, but that's probably not a shade of lip gloss that I would get a ton of use out of, but I will definitely put it to the test. I think the Laura Geller product could be very promising, especially for summertime, so I'm definitely going to make sure to incorporate it into my routine over the next few weeks. But overall, I feel like I definitely had other boxes that I've been more excited about. I just think maybe if the eyeshadow palette was something that I was really excited about, I would feel differently, but I am excited that I got this First Day Beauty product. So let's open the Boxycharm Premium box and see how they compare. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. This one comes with 6 to 7 full-size products, and the value of this box is over $175. So you pay $10 extra a month, you get a few more products, and the value is about $50 more. So this might be a good option if you just feel like you want a little bit more than you typically get in the regular Boxycharm box. Okay, so the first thing in here is from Too Faced. I'm sure that this product is worth at least the value of the box, if not more. It is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. So the packaging is beautiful. Too Faced always does such a gorgeous job with their packaging, but let's see what it looks like. So it looks like it is an all matte palette. You do get 3 highlights and then 3 contours. So I have to say that I don't typically take the time to contour. I'm kind of into like this warm, bronzed, glowy look these days, but if you do like contouring, this might be a great palette to get in your box. It looks like all of the shades are matte, and I'm sure that every single shade won't work for all skin tones, but you could always use them as eyeshadows as well. So I'm not going to swatch this quite yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or pass it along. I would test it out and keep it, but like I said, I'm not really that into contouring right now, so I don't want it to go to waste in my collection, especially because it is such a gorgeous palette. I'm actually sure that my mom or one of my sisters would love this, but let me check the retail value of this. So the card says this retails for $44, which is definitely more than the cost of the box alone. So I'm surprised they included that in the premium box. That's something I would expect to see in like a Boxy Luxe, but that's amazing, especially if you love contouring. Okay, the next thing in here is something that I am excited about. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. We did get two different Glow Recipe products in recent Boxycharms. We got like a watermelon mask, and then we also got like a daily moisturizer, and I've really been enjoying them. And I don't think that I've purchased anything from Glow Recipe since then, but I have been curious to try out more of their products. So this one's actually meant for dry to normal skin, but I do feel like I could still get use out of it. It says to scoop a dime-sized amount onto your skin as the final step of your evening routine, and then pat into your skin and then wash thoroughly in the morning. I do love really intense, nourishing moisturizers at night because I feel like the next day when I wake up, my skin just looks so smooth and really clear and plump and even. So I will definitely put this one to the test, especially because I've really enjoyed the other Glow Recipe products that I've tried. Let me just pull it out of the box. Their packaging is seriously so cute, and because they come in like glass bottles and glass jars, they just feel really luxurious. Obviously, glass is better for the environment as well. This doesn't have a really strong scent. I think I was kind of expecting it to smell like avocado or like guacamole, but it doesn't. It doesn't smell like that at all. So I will definitely try this one out. And again, I'll keep you guys posted in my June favorites and fails. I've been trying to update you on products in those videos, so I'll make sure to test out the ones that I'm really interested in and update you by then. The next thing in here is a makeup brush. It is a dual-ended brush by the brand Billion Dollar Brushes. I know I always say this, and I know a lot of you guys agree with me, but it is so nice getting brushes in subscription boxes, and I do feel like Boxycharm includes some really nice brushes. A lot of my staple go-to brushes that I use and like get ready with me's are from Boxycharm. So this one is a dual-ended brush. One side looks like it would be great for foundation or even cream cheek products. And then the other side is a little bit smaller, so you could use it for concealer or even eyeshadow as well. I used to dislike dual-ended brushes because I felt like they were hard to store, but whenever I go out of town, which isn't very much these days, I do like dual-ended brushes because they just take up less space, and obviously they're great for multitasking. It looks like we got another skincare product. This is by the brand Skin & Co Roma. I have tried some of their products. They used to have, they might still have it, but I used to have like this really nice, gentle face wash that was so moisturizing, and I really enjoyed that one. Oh, this is actually a shower gel. Oh, it smells good. It's not overpowering like some shower gels can be. This one is a little bit more subtle, but it definitely has like a citrus scent to it. I smell orange. Oh, it says right on here, lemongrass, wild orange. I definitely smell the wild orange. It smells good. It could be a good option in the morning to wake yourself up. Again, I've never gotten a shower gel, but I do think it's something kind of different, kind of fun. The next thing in here is from ZOEVA. This is the Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear. I feel like that is not right how I just said that. Let me check the card. It is called the ZOEVA Eyeshadow Fix, and I guess it is a matte finish. So that is right. It's supposed to prepare the eyes with a long-lasting crease-proof formula for all-day wear. So it just kind of sounds like an eyeshadow primer. I did get an eyeshadow primer from the brand Pretty Vulgar last month, and it's good. It's definitely more on like the sticky, tacky side, and I do prefer a little bit more of like a matte finish. So I think this one will probably be a little bit more ideal for my personal preferences. The last thing in here is from Kat Von D. This is the Inkwell Liner. So Kat Von D isn't actually known as Kat Von D anymore. She's no longer part of the brand. They've kind of rebranded to, what is it? It's like a very long name. Okay, the card actually has it. It's KVD Vegan Beauty. So she is no longer associated with the brand, and I'm kind of curious, will you guys be purchasing from the brand? I know that some people still purchased from Kat Von D when it was Kat Von D, but I know a lot of people were not interested in the brand, you know, when it was under Kat Von D. I think now that she is no longer associated with the brand, I'm not opposed to trying out some of the products. It's just not a brand that typically appeals to me, but I did try their liquid liner pen a few years ago, and it was really good. So this is their Inkwell Liner. It's a long-wearing matte liner. What does the applicator look like? Because this is not the type of liner that I typically use. Oh wow, I feel like I could make a mess with this. I feel like e.l.f. used to have a liner like this that I used back in the day. I just feel like it might be a little bit more difficult to use than like a liquid liner pen. I don't know. The card says that it is waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge resistant. I mean, it sounds like it could be really good. So I think I might have to try it out. I'm just so used to using like a liquid liner pen. It's been so long since I've tried, oh wow, something like this, but this is definitely staying in place. Okay, it's starting to smudge, but I'm pressing pretty hard. Okay, the retail value of the premium box is $177, which isn't a lot higher than the other box, but I do feel like this box came with way better products, and that's not typically the case. Like usually the base box is really good and the premium box is maybe a little bit better, but I do feel like this month the premium box was a lot better, especially because they included that Too Faced contour palette and then also the Glow Recipe skincare product. I think those two products alone would probably make the box worth it, but there are a couple of other products that I will try, like the ZOEVA eyeshadow primer that will definitely come in handy, and I'll give the eyeliner a shot. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm boxes this month. What did you guys think? I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you got in your boxes. I feel like I typically am like so excited about my boxes, and I am excited about the premium box, but the regular base box this month wasn't my personal favorite, even though I am glad we got that First Day Beauty product, or at least I did. I hope you guys did too if you wanted to try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you ended up getting in your boxes. If you tried anything, I would love to hear your thoughts. Otherwise, I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.